How to log into your Remitly account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can log in or sign in to your Remitly account. So to do that, first of all, open the Remitly app on your mobile device. And once you've opened the app, you'll have to first of all enter your email address over here. After that, simply enter your password. But in case you don't remember your password, what you can do is simply tap on the option forgot password. After that, enter your email address over here and then tap on the option next. Now they will send an email to your email. So as you can see, the mail has already arrived. But for this video, since I remember my password and don't want to reset it, I'll simply enter my password over here. Now, even if you don't remember your password, once you've reset your password, simply enter the password which you've just created and then tap on the option sign in. And now wait for this page to load up. And as you can see, I've successfully logged into my Remitly account. So that is basically how you log in or sign into your Remitly account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.